right, in the last video in this series, I showed you step 1A of keyword research for a brand new product that you are going to sell on Amazon. I consider this step 1B, and this is actually some functionality that no other tool ever made for Amazon sellers has ever been able to reproduce. This is a very, very unique function to Helium 10, and it's very, very powerful. What this does is it gets keywords that maybe only one or two of the main competitors are performing well for, but maybe the other top competitors aren't performing well for it, or maybe they don't even have it in their listing at all. Now, why would this be beneficial to you? It's for a couple of reasons. Number one, if you have a keyword like coffin shelf where every single one of the main competitors are all ranking and performing very highly for it, that doesn't mean that it's a bad keyword. That's actually, yes, a very important keyword, but you know going into it that you're probably gonna have to spend more money on PPC because there's a lot more competition. It might be harder for you to get to page one. Again, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't try. That's a very important keyword. However, if you can find a keyword that drives sales to a product similar to yours, but maybe only one or two of those main coffin shelf players or whatever your product is are getting sales from it, well, your path to page one is going to be a lot easier, and you are going to be able to rank more easy for that product and possibly maybe even pay less in sponsored ads because not many competitors are bidding on these keywords. So let me show you how to do this, what I call step 1B of your keyword research for a brand new product. I still have this open from the last video of how we identified those top 9 keywords. All right. Coffin shelf for wall, coffin shelves, coffin shelf large, coffin shelf, coffin bookshelf, gothic shelves, goth shelf, gothic shelf, and coffin decor. All right. This next step might find keywords that this one didn't show up for. So let's first erase. I'm going to keep this 500 search volume here. Let's erase the ranking competitors. Let's erase the competitor rank average. What I'm going to focus on here are the advanced rank filters. This is allowing me, I know this is going to sound complicated at first. It might take you a little bit of time to get used to it, but trust me, guys, this is a golden nugget here of a strategy that you can use. These two filters right here are saying, hey, out of all these results here, show me the keywords where a minimum or a maximum of the number of products, all right, that I have here. All right, remember, I think I had like 7 products here. I'm saying, hey, show me the ones where a minimum of 1, let's just say a minimum of 1 and max 2. This is just for an example right here. Since I have 7 competitors here, actually the max I could put here is 7. All right. What I'm saying now is, hey, show me the products here or the keywords where a min of 1, but a max of 2 products are ranking in the top 10 positions, organic positions. All right, so this is different than the competitor rank average. And let me go ahead and filter this out, apply filters. And now look here, there's 22 keywords. Now, there are some keywords here that came up in my previous one, like gothic shelf and coffin decor. Both, I think, might have come up here. But take a look here. Look at this keyword right here, coffin decorations. Now that's a pretty cool keyword that's searched for 500 times a month. What about this one right here? Gothic wall decor. That's pretty relevant, right? This is actually searched for 4,000 times a month, all right? Now, this did not come up in that last video that we did, right? You didn't see Gothic wall decor there. Why didn't it show up? Well, if we look at the ranking competitors, we see that it's actually 6, so that part should have shown up. But the key, competitor rank average of 123. Now, why did that come up? If I put my mouse over here, I can actually see here where the different products are ranking. So the one that's in bold that you see there of 194, that's whenever you see something in bold here, that means that was that baseline product. Look here. There is one product, that first one, that is ranking in the top 10. But look at the rest of those products. They're ranking at 68, 90, 103, 183, and 288. So that's why this product did not show up, because the competitor rank average is 123. And if you remember that filter that we put in the last video, we only said, hey, show us where the competitor rank average is, like on page 1 from 1 to 30. So this one, you might think, oh, this is not good because they're all average ranking on 123, but one of those competitors is at the top of page 1. So they're probably having this keyword drive sales to their product, but none of the other competitors are, because they're all on like page 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this would be a great keyword for you to focus on, because now you know that you only have one major coffin shelf player that you have to kind of compete with for domination of this keyword as far as your niche goes. So again, this is a great way to find kind of like low-hanging fruit or hidden gems of keywords where only 1 or 2 competitors are crushing it, but maybe the rest of your competitors don't even know about that keyword, or they're not really focusing on it. So make sure to use that. The only thing I say is to be careful is sometimes you might get, of course, some branded keywords, like maybe Manny's Mysterious Oddities is the brand name of our coffin shelf. Well, obviously, our coffin shelf, Manny, will be ranking highly for the keyword Manny's Mysterious Oddities coffin shelf, or a keyword like that. That doesn't mean, oh, you need to put that in your listing. You're actually not allowed to put branded words from other people's brands or trademarks in your listing. So exclude those if you ever see those in the results, but look for those more generic keywords that describe your product. Again, that only 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever you want are all ranking for it. You can use this filter in other ways too. You can go the opposite. You could say, hey, show me the keywords where minimum 6 or 7 out of 7 are all ranking for in the top 30, to really find some, like, top level keywords. There's a lot of different ways that you can use these advanced rank filters. So make sure to take advantage of it. And if you have any questions, don't forget to reach out to customer support. We'll see you in the next video.